Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about basic date functions. So the date function is very useful if you want to work on time series analysis. So you should be aware about the basic part of the date function. Then we will move on advanced level date function. So here we will discuss about only five functions, which is a very basic function. So day, month, year, get date, and system date. Okay. So what is the definition of day function? So day function returns day of past expression. Past expression means whatever column name you will pass into day function, that is a past expression. So in date of joining, you will get a day number. So day function will return day number. In date column you have day, month, year, but in day, month, year you have to pick only day number. At that time we can utilize the day function. Okay. So next is month function. So month function return month of past expression. In this function, past expression means date of joining as of now. It can be date of birth, it can be join order date, it can be invoice date, it can be due date, anything, any date column you have to pass here. Okay. Same as year number. Year number will return the year number from the this function, year number function. Okay. Get date is a function which returns the today's date. So today's date is 25, year 2025, month August, and day is 5th. So means 5th August 2025. So you will get output as a 5th August 2025 in get date. System date can be vary. If your system date is today's date, you will get output as a today date. If system date is uh, set up just like US date, US date means approximately 10 and a half hours ahead. Okay. So what will be here? So here, system date will return different date. Okay. If your system date is not set up to this date and it's set up the today's date as per US date, at that time you can get a different date and system date. Okay. So next I'm going to do practical. So here I have master database. I want to activate my training database. So I need to write here use, and use function will return uh, to activate your training database or whatever database you have, it will return that one. So here, so I want to activate training database. So I have to write here use training and then write down database name training. Select it. After selecting, I will execute this. So execute is here, or you can press F5 or function F5. So you can use the shortcut F5 or function F5. It's completely depends on system to system. So now I click on execute. After clicking on execute, you will get here active database as a training database. So active database will be training database. So then in training database, we have multiple tables. So I will pick here order date table. Order date table, we have date column. Okay. So in date column, I will write down all those functions, whatever we discussed. So after activating this database, I will write down another query. So as of now, my query is running. So meanwhile, what I will do, I will write down the next query. So next query is, you need to write here select a star from orders table. So here I'm taking orders table, run it. So now you can see here training database has been activated. Now I'm running this query. So click on execute. After clicking on this execute button, now you will get complete data of orders table. In orders table, I will show you two date columns. The column name will be order date and sub date. From order date or ship date, I will utilize to pick the day number, month number, year number, system date, it will work on your system date. Okay. So wait for a while. Now it will show the entire data from orders table. So see here, this is my order date column, and next column is ship date. Let me check where is ship date column. So ship date column, this is the ship date column. Now you have to decide which date column you have to utilize to apply those functions. So here I will apply the order date function. Sorry, order date columns. So see here, I'm just writing select, and here I mention order date column, order date. So after putting here order date column, here you will get this column. So why I'm taking this column in a square bracket? Because column name has a space. So if you have any space in your column name, always you have to take the column name in a square bracket. Okay. So now after taking this square bracket, you have to apply the function. So which function I need to apply? I need to apply day function. So I need to write here day function bracket. Now you need to mention same column name order date square bracket close. Then you have to mention the table name after from, and here you need to mention the table name orders table. Run it. See, I will get here day number. So day number is 13, day month number is 10, and year number is 2021. So here I'm getting day number. So now what I have to do? Here I need to mention the column name. So what I will do, I will split all these columns into different lines. So now here I will put down the alias. Alias means you have to mention the column name here. So as of now, I will mention the column name here day num. So day underscore num. So day num will be column name in your output. Okay. So see here I have mentioned the day num. Now run it. So after running it, you will get day number as a output. Run it. After select, you have to run. Otherwise, you will get an error or you will get different results. So see here, I'm getting day number column. Now here I will mention the month number function. So here I will mention month function. Bracket start, you have to mention the order date column, order space date. Then you have to mention month num. Okay, comma. Then you have to take year function bracket, then you have to mention here order date column, then year num, comma. As of now I'm running only these three functions. Okay, so wait for a while. Now I'm showing you result. So here is my result. So here I'm getting day number, month number, year number from this date. Okay, this is the actual date on which I need to apply the day number, month number, or year number. I have applied same. Okay, now what I have to do here, I need to take today's date into this column. Here I will take today's date. So need to write here get date function. So I will write here get date. Get date, before applying get date you need to take here comma, then I need to write here get date, then bracket start bracket close, and then you have to mention the alias. Alias means column name. So here I'm taking today underscore date. Okay, now I want to take system date. My get date and system date result will be same because here my system date is today's date. Okay, so here I will write sys date. Let me check system date. So let me check a spelling. So here a spelling will be now. So here my okay system date time, sys date time. Okay, so I need to move on SQL server, and here I will take sys date time. bracket start, bracket close. Now, no need to mention here comma because this is the last column. So I need to mention the column name system date. Okay. Now run this query. So here I'm running this query. After select, press F5 or function F5. In my system, I have to press function F5. Okay, now it's running. See here, day number, month number, year number. Today's is 5th August 2025. So my system date is same. So see here the same date. Okay, so these are very basic functions of date function. So next video, I will let you know the next functions, which is a little bit advanced than this function. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you so much.